In this video, we are going to see how we can create our own shirt, make our own shirt for our avatar in Roblox, or maybe you want to sell that clothing online. Here's how you can easily make one for yourself on Roblox. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just head over to Google and write here Roblox shirt template. And once you scroll down, you will see this Roblox Creator Hub, create.roblox.com. classic clothing documentation. So you don't need to do anything, just you will click on that and you are already in the classic clothing. So from here, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see the types of clothing, that is t-shirts, shirts and pants, and you will start seeing the templates here. This is for the shirt, this is for the pants, so you can download any of the template. So this is a simple sleeveless shirt. What we do is just right click on that, click on save image as, and then we will download this template. Click yes to save it. And now that our template is downloaded, we just need to open it in the photo editor. Basically, we can use any photo editor just to edit our shirt according to our design. So we will be using Canva, that is a free tool. And basically whatever we need is available in the free version as well. So this is most convenient, very easy to use tool. So let's open Canva. So once you log in here, what you do is just click on create on the left hand side. And from here, we just click on create and we click on upload from the bottom. Here we will choose upload files and we'll choose our shirt template. We click on edit image and it will open up like this. We click on create design and it will now be opened in an untitled design, as you can see on the top. So as you can see, all the description about the torso and our costume is mentioned here. So whatever we want to change, let's say for the front, we will change it from here. And similarly for the back, we will change it from here. And this is how it will look in the preview. So let's say we want to edit this front. What we do is we go to elements and we search for shapes, click on shapes, and we'll choose a basic rectangle, place it here. And make sure it is the accurate size as the torso, just like so. And then we can drag it all the way to the right to cover this full torso, as you can see here in the demonstration as well. Now, if you want to change the color of it, we can simply do it from here. Let me just change it to, let's say, purple. Now, if you want to cover the up and down portions, we can do the same thing. We'll choose a rectangle again, resize it according to the size of the torso, and then we will cover the whole thing from top to bottom as well, like this. Just zoom it and make sure it fits in on all places accurately. So once it fits in properly, like this. And actually for this one, which is on the horizontal side, we need to cover it till the end, up till this point. So now let's say we want to add something funky to our costume. We can search for anything here in the elements. Let's say I write something funky. We can even generate it. No, I don't like this one. So let's actually choose it from the elements directly. Cancel this. Let's actually write headphones. So let's add this one. Whatever is free, it will be without any crown sign. So we will resize it and we're gonna place it at the back like this. So you can do it like this. And now if you want to add, let's say, our channel logo, we can do that here as well. And now let's add our brand logo here. Whatever you want to add, you can basically add it here. You click on the uploads and let me just upload our logo. So our logo is here. Let me just resize it and place it wherever you want. You can place it like this, and you can also remove the background, but that is available only in the Pro version. Now we can start working on the left and the right arms. So we will do the same thing. We will go to the elements and we'll select our shapes. And from here, we will just cover up our sections just like so. It's always a good idea to have this box in between first so that you can accurately resize it according to the template. You can even increase the size just by holding the control key and then zooming in and just move it across up till the end. Now let's create a duplicate, and creating a duplicate, it's also very simple. Just hold the alternate key and just move this shape and it will create a copy for it. You can also insert it again if you don't find it easier to do it like this. Let me just create and fill the shape from here up till the bottom. So let's say that my arms are, let me just make it white, and the overall shirt is purple. So we can make it like this. And as you can see, it doesn't cover the whole space. It's also showing some of the colors. So I just filled it again. Now what we can do is just create a copy of it like so. And we move this one towards here. Actually, we didn't create a copy. Let me just create it again. Hold the alternate key and then create the copy. So this covers the whole space here. Just we have to move the other part on the other side like this. Now actually, let's make this one of some other color. Let me just make this one, let's say green, and this one should be any gradient color like this. And you can also add some gradient effects if you want. You can simply search it in the elements and use it. But if it is available in the free version, you can use it. Otherwise, you can pick any of that is available for free and you place it like this. So actually here in the background, we can choose a simple yellow color so that the gradient can look perfect. Basically, this will sync overall color and then we will add a gradient effect. Let's actually make it blue. Okay, so this looks nice. Paste it on the other side as well. So gradient effect is also added. Now, once our costume is finalized, what you can do is just click on the share button. We click on the download from here and we just have to make sure that it is a PNG format, and then you can save it wherever you want. And you can edit the name as, let's say, my costume. I'll just go to the location, change it to my Roblox costume. So once we have finalized our design for the shirt, we will head over to roblox.com, sign in with your ID, click on create, and from here over to the left we have this creations tab. Click on that and we go to avatar items from here. So from here we will choose clothing and we will choose shirts, and from here we will choose classics, because there is where you can get this upload button. So upload asset is here. So we will select classic shirts here first. Click on upload asset, my avatar shirt, and you can copy and paste the same in the description. We can then press upload from here and we choose our design, that is this one, and it will cost you 10 Robux to upload it. You click on upload. So from here, once it is uploaded, you go to avatar again, you click on classics, you click on classic shirts, and once you select that, you should be able to see your avatar down here. As you can see, it is now created, but it is showing off sale now. So if you want to sell it as well, we select the shirt and you scroll down and you open this up and put it on sale from here, and you can set the floor price and the price, customized price here. But keep in mind that Roblox will deduct some of his share as well. So once you do that, you click on publish item, play and publish, click OK. You might need to make some other changes as well. But as you can see, now it requires a plus to publish these items. But this is how you can create your own avatar shirt and use it for yourself in Roblox. Now, if you want to wear the t-shirt ourselves, how do we do that? So we head over to Roblox, and as you can see, if we click on our profile, our current avatar is wearing a shirt and pant like this. So we go to our avatar on the left. So we change it to our costume, and now we can see our avatar is wearing our customized shirt here. So once we do that, we head over back to our profile, and you can see now our customized t-shirt is saved, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.